Vanakkam. Hi friends, welcome to Lata's International Designer Studio. And thank you for all your supports that you have given to me. And I am expecting more your supports from you all. And also, I have so many collections today to show you. And we have done in our shop. We have done new model patterns to show to you. And also, guys, if you have any order to me, you can send your measurements only. You can send your measurement also to me in my WhatsApp number that I have given now. 8754559703 is my WhatsApp number, and also I will give in my description. And my contact number, another number is 9940490066. And also, I am in the Chennai place, Chennai. If you are nearby Chennai, I can collect your things from you. And also in person contact, I can collect you. And also if you are far, you can send your measurement only. I will do my best to you. We can do everything for ladies only. And also we are doing blouses, handwork blouses, embroidery work, and design works and pattern works for blouses girls, for ladies only. And also we are doing ready-made items like that, skirts, full frocks, gathering pants, chudidars, lehengas, and all things for ladies. And what and all you have want, you can contact me for neither things. And also I will show my design to you now. See, this is the full frock with umbrella cutting. See, full frock, this is with umbrella cutting, with boat neck with frill design in neck. This is a boat neck, and a hand also there is a hole. See this hole, and here by both sides it's a hole, and hand it's there frill in hands and neck. There's a hole design in hand with umbrella design. See, and this is back. There is a knot for fitness with zip model. This is a new model, latest design with umbrella frock. See this like this. Okay. This is a new model pattern which I have done now. And also, wait, I will show another design. This is also a frock design, frock model like that same, with hand hole model and frock model. This is umbrella frock like this. Like the same model, we done in that frill design in the green color. Okay. Then you can see now a new latest design with black netted chudidar. See, this is the latest design, boat neck with boat neck. See, this is boat neck with net chudidar with coat model like that, with boat neck, full hand with coat model. In that we did lining. This is the chudidar top. with with back hole, with knot design with back hole. With back hole, see the knot is there. Knot is the boat neck. Okay, like this half coat with lining. This is a new pattern we did now. With black netted, and also I'll show the another design. See, this is also a net model top. See, this is also a net model top. This is a round neck with net model, fully net in hand, three full hand, just with this is also net. The design net, back plain net. Okay, only this chudidar top. Okay, then also see this pattern. This is the collar neck chudidar top. See, this is the collar neck. Collar neck with front open. See, this is the front open with collar neck. Neck chudidar design with 3/4 hand. See, this is the collar neck, and also there is a full skirt inside it. Inside, this is the full skirt. We have to wear it inside. See, it will come like this. We have to wear this full skirt, and that in the top it is also full. It will look like this. See, front open with the collar neck chudidar top. This is the latest design. This is the full skirt. This is normal umbrella skirt, full skirt, cotton full skirt with knot. We have to wear like this. Okay. See, this is front open with back collar neck with umbrella. This is umbrella only with front open umbrella cutting. Okay, and also another thing. See, this is the this is the short top with frock model. This is the frock model top. Frock model. This is one part and here one part. See, with hand hole design with back and the normal round neck. This is a new model frock. Chudidar top only with new model. Then I'll show the another blouse thing one. I'll show the blouse one. Say this is a blouse model with fully netted. See, this and all is netted. Inside we put a netted, and then out it will be like this with gold beads we have done. Fully net design inside. See, it will look like this with square neck. This is a new model pattern, latest design with net blouse. See, hand also it's there with design. And with front round neck with normal round neck. Okay. And this is a new model, latest now we did this as a new pattern. It's very good design with a new color, new pattern. We did now as a fresh item. This, like this, guys. See, it's a very good design. If anybody wants like this, you can send message to me in my WhatsApp number. 8754559703 is my WhatsApp number, and also contact another number 9940490066. And also we want only a measurement from you. Say, if anybody wants like this or anything like that frock or umbrella type or inskirts, nighties, panties, like that anybody wants, you can send me measurement. If any, we can do in online order also, and we'll send it in courier itself, and we can do everything for you girls. And you can send your measurement only to me. You can contact me and we can do everything for best for you. So guys, you have seen all my designs today. I have shown you, and also often I will show my designs, what and all I will doing in my shop. I will contact you and I will show my designs. So friends, watch my video, watch my channel, and like my channel, subscribe my channel, and send comment, and also share my channel and comment my channel. Thank you for all your supports to me. Thank you for all your supports to me. So thank you very much.